In this video, we are going to see how to install Audacity on your machine. To install Audacity, go to this website audacityteam.org. You will see a download button. Click on the download button and it will detect your OS and it will suggest a download file for your OS. Audacity works on Windows, Mac and Linux, so it will detect your OS and will suggest a file. You can see it has detected my OS as Mac and it is suggesting me the universal file for my OS. However, I am using a M1 based Mac. From my experience, I have seen the dedicated download file for the M1 based Mac works well than the universal file. So I'll cancel this. I'll go to the downloads and from there I'll choose the file I want to install. You can see it supports Windows, Mac and Linux. If you are using Windows, you will click on Windows. I'm using Mac, so I'll be choosing Mac. For Windows, you can see two options, 32 and 64-bit. So if you do not use the default installation file, choose the bit of your OS from here. So if you are using a 64-bit Windows, choose 64-bit installer. If you are using a 32-bit Windows, choose 32-bit installer. I'll go back and choose Mac. Here you can see that the universal DMG is recommended and there is another file which is ARM64 DMG, which is for Apple Silicon or M1 or M2 based Mac. I'll download this one. Click on download and select a location to save. I'll save it to the downloads folder. It has started downloading and it is a very small file, so the download process will be done shortly. Once the download is complete, go to the location of this file and double click on it. Now all I have to do is to drag the Audacity icon to the app folder. I already have Audacity installed, so it is asking me for to replace. If you are installing Audacity for the first time, you will not see this message. I will click on replace. Audacity is now installed and if I open the Audacity app, I will be able to use it. When you want to open Audacity for the first time, you will see this message. This is a warning message that Audacity have been installed from outside the App Store. Click open. So you can see Audacity is now open. Now I can start recording my audio and start editing. If you are looking for a beginner level Audacity tutorial with the latest Audacity, you can check this Udemy course. I have published a course with a step-by-step process on Audacity. So I suggest you check this course and you can take this course if you learn Audacity step by step as a beginner and become very confident in audio editing in general. Thanks for watching.